Hi, my name is Dennis Fugel. I'm Chartered Professional Accountant CPA, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Today I would like to talk to you about new topic, and it's how to read your notes of assessment from the CRA. A lot of people asking me, and I think, okay, if you don't know, send me. Okay, but for the all audience, what is this notes of assessment? Notes of assessment is basically a report card that CRA send it to you. In this report card, CRA is saying to you how much money you owe or how much refund you're gonna receive from them. They're also notifying you or saying to you what kind of carry forwards you have and how much room you left with your RRSPs or TFSAs. Okay, this is a report card for you. After we submitting the taxes, either personal, either business, you're gonna receive a report card from the CRA that's saying to you whatever you submitted to us, we're accepting, and either you need to pay or either you have a refund. That's all the science. On this notes of assessment, you're gonna see your SIN number or business number. You're gonna see your name or business name. You're gonna see to which year it's refer you to. Okay? And then you're gonna see, of course, it's a refund or if it's a payable amount or if nothing need to be paid. You're gonna see lines, not lines. You see, we're saying lines. Lines in taxation, it boxes. In these boxes, we're putting amounts, and there's amounts over there. If it's in personal taxation, 15,000. This is a line box 15,000 total income. Okay, for the business, it's going to be different box, different line with a different number. But generally, it's lines or boxes that are reported on your tax return that the CRA is saying to you and confirming these amounts. So, and it's explaining any changes that were done, if were done on your personal tax returns. Sometimes as accountant, we maybe did not have information from the client and the CRA did have it, and they adjusted some credits according to their records because we did not have it before. How can it be happened? For example, we accept new client and this new client did not notify us of some certain credits or certain amounts that he had or CRA had, and we did not know about it, and we submitted for him totally brand new tax return and we didn't count for this. And then after we submit it, we're receiving notes of assessment and we're adjusting, and we're going to adjust his tax return. It's not going to change his tax position because CRA already assessed it and gave them his answer. But we would like that our tax return going to match CRA tax return. And when we're downloading information from the CRA website, it basically we're downloading carry forward amounts. It's automatically updating in our software the tax credit in order to calculate correct taxes for the client. Okay, so notes of assessments is basically a report card that the CRA providing to you after your tax was submitted to the tax authorities. And they're giving you all the information, not all the information in summary, actually what you need to know, and highlights, major highlights that were in your tax return. You can read it by yourself. If it's too boring and if it's not interesting to you, please send it to your accountant. We read it happily because it is our interest, because we would like to open your personal tax return or business tax return, and we adjusting according to the notes of assessment and see if it's actually whatever we filed or there was any adjustment to whatever we filed and we would like to implement in our tax return. Guys, have a nice day, have a nice weekend, see you.